Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you the Power Magic Ultra Battery B-124 and the Blackvue DR750S 2-channel installed on a GMC Canyon 2018. First thing we're going to show you is the camera. We have the front camera just under the mirror, and we have the rear camera on the right side of the window. We did not put it on the center window because that window moves. Now, as you can see, the vehicle is off, but the cameras are still running. And basically they're running from the battery pack to allow us to have the camera running as long as possible and without draining anything from the vehicle. Now we're going to show you how you play around with the features on the battery pack. So we have the two apps. The one on the right is the Blackvue regular app where you can watch the camera, but you can also go to the battery from there. And the one on the left is specific for the battery. So we're going to go to the battery one. Now the system will scan. Because the system already knows this battery, it will go automatically to it, but you're going to have this screen and you're going to see the option to choose. So you choose the battery you want. Now the system will read the information from the battery and will give us some information. So we have the blue circle, which means the battery is discharging. And why is it discharging? The battery right now operates the camera, but does not get any charge from the vehicle because the vehicle is off. So it shows us that the battery is discharging. We see the voltage of the battery and how much is it full. So we see 97%. The next line we see DC in. So we can see it's 0 voltage input and 0.0 amp input, which means, again, because the vehicle is turned off, the battery doesn't get any power in, doesn't get charged. The battery is giving output of 13.3 volt at 0.3 amp. The battery capacity is 6000 milliamp. You can increase the capacity by adding one of the extension battery packs. Charging time remaining. So how much time before the battery will be full? It shows 0. And why it shows 0 even though the battery is only 97%? Again, since the vehicle is turned off, there's no charging right now. So the system cannot calculate any charging. Usage time remaining. Usage time remaining, the battery calculates based on the fact that it's connected to a certain camera. If it's a 2-channel or 1-channel. Also, if the camera right now is in parking mode or if the camera is in regular full function. How much power it draws, and based on that, how much time before the battery gets to 0. Now we're going to turn the ignition to on position. We're going to show you how some of the functions change. So we have the key to on position. We're going to have the color changing to orange, which means the battery right now is charging and it says charging. Show us DC in, which means it shows us how many voltage it's drawing from the vehicle, and it will show us how many amp. Give us low battery warning because the car is not running, so it's thinking that the battery is too low to charge it, might not draw too much. And we can see, I'm going to start the vehicle, so we're going to have the battery a bit stronger. So you can see the battery is charging at 13.6 volt, 9 amp. We can see on the charging time remaining about 1 minute. Again, it's based on how much charge left before the battery is full based on the input. And usage time remaining shows 0. And why is the usage time remaining shows 0? When the car is running, right now the battery doesn't get discharged to run the camera. So the camera still works, but it kind of loops and gets the power directly from the vehicle when it's running. As soon as we're going to turn the vehicle off, the battery will go back to discharging mode. It will show us in blue and it's discharging. Again, DC in, the voltage in is 0. Charging time remaining go back to 0. Battery actually already reached to 100. Now it shows the usage time again. The battery pack from Blackvue and all dash cams can be found Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.